And now for something a little bit different, some beautiful Denver prime steaks from Alpine Butcher. First of all, let's get that fire lit in the MiniMax. We're going some barrel-proof bourbon barrel blocks, get a little bourbony smoke on this meat. For a binder, we're going to use some of that Wagyu beef tallow because why not? I'm going with my old school C-Mac Cook Sylvaticus coffee rub, and let's get those on indirect. We got the MiniMax going at about 300 degrees. We're looking for about 120 degrees internal. We're going to pull these, let them rest for a second while we pull out that plate setter, crank the heat up, and then we're going direct to finish these guys off. Let's get them right on that fire, get that crust, because you know what I say, crust is the must. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Let's pull those off about 5 degrees below our final internal temperature, and let's cut them up. Yeah, baby. How'd we do? What do you think? Is that how you like your steaks? That's how I like mine. Little chimichurri to finish that off. And this was a beautiful, beautiful Denver steak. Ha ha. Boom.